Stepping into the 2026 digital economy feels like the opening whistle of a World Cup match. The competition is global, and the penalty for a bad strategy is immediate. Take the USMNT's match against Bosnia and Herzegovina. When Faloran Balogun received an early red card, his team was forced into a severe numerical disadvantage before the game had even settled. They didn't chase their original game plan. They instantly shifted their formation, collapsing into a tight defensive block to survive the match while playing a man down. Most people starting a side hustle today are playing a man down without realizing it. Using 2024 tactics in a 2026 market is a guaranteed way to get outpaced by more automated competitors. Navigating this shift requires balancing two specific variables: how fast you can land your first client versus how high your income can actually scale. A common mistake is touching every new AI tool that pops up on a timeline. Real progress only happens when you commit to one specific workflow and learn it deeply enough to deliver professional results. This is a tactical draft. We are scouting 7 AI side hustles that are currently generating real-world cash flow, moving from entry-level services to high-end B2B agencies. Winning this game depends on drafting the specific hustle that fits your current technical fitness and the hours you can realistically commit each week. We start with the attackers today. These are high-speed tactics designed for quick strikes and rapid client acquisition. AI content creation is the first option. Every brand needs optimized SEO articles and newsletters. You can fill this gap using Claude 3 for natural-sounding drafts and Surfer SEO to ensure the content actually ranks on search engines. However, raw AI copy is easy to spot. Clients will reject work that sounds robotic or lacks nuance, making human editing a mandatory part of the workflow. Then there is the AI Voiceover Business. For faceless YouTube channels and local commercials, tools like ElevenLabs are replacing the need for expensive human narrators by producing studio-quality audio in seconds. If you leave in robotic inflections or strange pacing, the deliverable becomes useless. You have to manually adjust the software's emphasis and pauses to make the final audio sound natural. These frontline hustles generate income quickly, but because the software is highly accessible, market saturation keeps the overall earning ceiling lower than more technical roles. Content creators face a massive bottleneck. They need a high volume of short-form video to stay relevant, but few have the time to edit every clip themselves. You can solve this by building a video editing stack. Use auto-chopping tools like Opus Clip to find viral moments in long videos. Then apply the final polish and subtitles in CapCut. AI thumbnail design is another high-demand service. A single clickable image can change a video's entire trajectory, and creators will pay a premium for designs that measurably increase their click-through rate. Blindly trusting an image generator is a mistake. Delivering images with anatomical errors or that overly glossy AI look destroys viewer trust and hurts the creator's brand. Long-term retainers depend on your ability to catch the subtle flaws the AI misses. Professional results require you to act as a rigorous quality control check for every asset you deliver. Moving into the midfield, the focus shifts to B2B strategies. These require more strategic setup and knowledge of business workflows, but they provide a much higher stability. Prompt engineering in 2026 isn't about basic chat commands. It's about building hyper-specific logic libraries that integrate directly into a company's internal operations. Contrast two approaches. A generic prompt produces low-value filler, but a structured prompt extracting specific legal liabilities provides high-value data. This logic applies to chatbots. A custom bot books appointments at 2 a.m. To prevent hallucinations, a human fallback securely routes unanswered questions to email. Midfield tactics trade the quick win for higher monthly consulting fees and contracts that are much harder for competitors to disrupt. The franchise MVP of this playbook is the AI Automation Agency. This model has the steepest learning curve, but it offers the highest financial rewards. You act as a systems architect, using Zapier or Make.com to connect a business's software. You build workflows where AI automatically reads incoming emails, updates customer records, and drafts replies, removing hours of manual admin work. Expect a 90 to 120-day timeline to land your first major client. You have to be meticulous. Promising a complex automation and then breaking a client's existing workflow will end a contract immediately. Because these systems can replace the cost of a full-time administrative employee, businesses are willing to pay $3,000 to $10,000 monthly retainers for a reliable, automated solution. To find your starting point, we need to compare all 7 tactics on a single board. This grid plots technical effort versus potential earnings. To start earning within 30 days with limited experience, focus on voiceovers and video editing. But if you can spend months training to build a 6-figure B2B business, your target is automation. Every hustle on this list requires a different trade-off between how fast you can start and how much you can eventually earn. Success depends on picking the one that aligns with your specific risk tolerance. The fastest way to fail is attempting to play all 7 positions at once. Challenge yourself to a 90-day training camp. Pick one single hustle from this list and commit to it exclusively, ignoring every other trend or tool that comes along. The first step is to learn the primary tool for your chosen hustle, build a 3 demo of your work, and pitch one potential client before the day is over. Intentions don't build businesses. Focused, singular action does. That is the only measurable difference between the benchwarmers and the earners in the AI era.